Do you want to download Indeed app for job search on your iPhone and you don't know how to download and install the app on your phone? In this video, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to download and install Indeed job search app on your phone. So if you want to do that, so the first thing you have to do is open up your Apple Store, then tap on the search bar at the right down corner of the screen. Tap on it, then use the search tab, then search for Indeed. You can see this is here, Indeed job search. Tap on it, then right here just tap on the name icon, then tap on get. Then your Apple account will automatically pop up a message for you to verify the app to be downloaded. Then after that, you can simply scan this using your Face ID, or you put your Apple ID password. Once you apply that, then you can proceed and tap on install. So the app will download and install itself on your phone, and that's how to download Indeed job search app on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the share button and follow for more. Thank you.